Hi, welcome to Update Skills. This is Sirish Tiwari. Today I am going to present PowerPoint slideshow. Let us learn. This is the first video of a PowerPoint like. In this PowerPoint today I am going to tell you like some tricks which we can apply into making your presentations. Okay, so let us see first presentation how it works like. When I click to this presentation, you can see the number of the animations. This is very common animations which we have learned already. Okay, so now you can see the heading called as pay attention as the topic change. When I click on the screen, you can see automatically the color is changes. So that means you can focus your audience on the color. When you click to this, automatically your audience can understand where we are like or what topic you are presenting. Like for example, you are a presenter, so you can explain like, okay, currently we are running with this topic. Second option, pay attention as a zoom. This is also new type of attention. When I click to this, so you can see the zoom options. This is quite common, which already you are aware about it. But when I click to this, so you are getting a another animation. So this is a second animation. Okay, so now I'll tell you how to create your own animation. This is animation which we have already applied. Now I'll teach you like how you can create such kind of a animation. Okay, so let us begin without spending a much more time on this. Okay guys, but only thing is what you have to watch till and to understand the entire concept. Okay, so this is my contents where I have just selected the data. After the selecting the data, I just went to animation part of it. I just went to the animation part of it. I apply the animation called as wipe. Whenever I apply the animation called as wipe, you can see from here I just went to the animation section and then I said on click. Whenever I said on click, you can see the on click started, and then finally I just went to this effect option, and then from here I just choose the option as a color as a according to our requirement. So whenever I am just clicking it, automatically color is keep on changing. Okay, so this is the first animation which we have learned. Okay, let us go back to the second animation. Pay attention to zoom. This is quite tricky animation, but still we will learn. Like first you have to do the selection, and after that you have to go back to your animation section and apply the grow and shrink. Now I just apply the grow and shrink, and then finally you have to click over here on click, and then change the duration you can adjust according to your requirement. I don't want to consume too much of time, so I just spend 0.5. Okay, this is done. Okay, let us move further. Then I clicked on add animation. After the add animation, you have to wait. First you have to do the selection also, remember, because sometime it is not getting selected, but you have to select properly and then go back to add animation and apply the second animation called as grow and shrink. Okay, from here now this time change with previous. Okay, and duration also increase the same as it is previously what we have done it. So duration is 0.5. Okay, now after that we'll go back to the here, that is animation pan. If you don't have this option, so you can just go back to the animation and click to this pan. So I just click to the last option bottom, and then effect option is there. From here your animation size, zooming size is 150. Just make it as a, instead of 150, for example 70. You can do still further reduce according to your requirement. Okay guys, after that this is the last option which I am going to explain to complete my video, but this is very important. What you have to do it when this relative cell heading appears, after that we just switch to this next option. So what you have to do it, you have to just drag these and release next to absolute option. Similar way you have to go to this absolute option and drag it to next to mix cell. Similar option mix cell, you have to drag it and release it over here. And last option we did, so this is a 3D cell reference which is not required, you can just remove it. Okay, after that what you can do it, we just simply go back to the slideshow. We just go back to the transaction and apply some transaction according to your requirement. Just say automatically. Now we'll press F5 button. When I press F5 button, so your presentation start. Okay, this is a simple presentation which you are already aware about it. Now pay attention as the topic changes. You can see like whenever I am clicking, automatically your topic color is changes. So that means you are focusing your audience attention and the retention. Okay, let us go back to the second option. When I click to this, See, relative cell reference, it gets the zoom effect. Again, when I click to reduce the size, and the next option, increase the size, reduce and increase, reduce and increase. So guys, this is one of the best way to present your own animations. So I hope you like and you enjoy the throughout the sessions. So if you have any queries related with this, you can leave your comments. Till then, have a great day.